Hello, and welcome everyone to this video on creating and using function modules by ZaranTech. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our ZaranTech YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any update from us.
Hey everyone, in this video we are going to understand the concept of function module, then we will implement it and we will call it inside a program. So basically function modules are a section of codes which we write in SE37 transaction code and we can use it as many times as we require. So I am going to take a requirement to create a function module in which I will be taking sales document number as an input in form of an internal table and I will show the details of the VBAK table based on that sales document number. So for creating a function module, we will simply go to SE37 transaction code. And this transaction, we will write the name of our function module. Suppose I am giving function module and underscore VBAK for VBAK table. Then I will click on create button. Now, the important thing, there is a function group. So basically function groups are a type of container which are used to store the function modules. So you can create this function group through SE80 transaction code. You will simply go to SE80 transaction code. Then you can select the function group and create it. I have already created a function group, so I will simply pass it here. These are basically like a container in which function modules are stored. Then I will click on save button. Okay, give a short description. So I will simply give function module. I will click on save button. Okay. Now we can see the various tabs which are a part of function module. First we will see the attributes tab. In the attributes tab, you will see all the generic information of our function module. Then in the import tab, you will pass the import parameter which will be passing through the user. So I will simply give a sales doc number. In typing, I will give type. And in associated type, I will give a table type for sales document number, since I will be passing a range of inputs from the user. For checking the table type of as a sales document number, we will go to SE11 transaction code, SE11, select data type radio button, and will give the data element of sales document number, which is VBLN underscore VA. Then I will click on this. I will click on where use list. Then select table type and click on OK button. Here you will get the particular table type for sales document number. Select Ctrl Y and copy this particular section. Now just go to the associated type and give that particular input and press enter. This is now we have given the associated type for our sales document number. Now and then in export tab, I will provide the exporting parameter which will be in the table that will consist of the details from VBAK table. I will select type, and in the associated type again we need to give a table type because we will be providing more than one record. So again I will go to SE11. I have already created a data type. I already created a table type which I will show you. This particular clip on display. This is the structure which we are using, and we are using 5 fields from VBAK table, which consist of VBLN, ERDAT, ERZDT, ERNUM, and VB type. So I will simply pass this table. I will simply pass this table in associated type. Press enter. Now go to source code and I will write the logic. Select VBLN. I am using 7.4 syntax, ERDAT, ERZDT, ERNUM, VBTYP from VBAK into table LT underscore VBAK where VBELN in what is our importing parameter? Sales document number. Sales. Okay. Sales doc underscore number. Now I click on activate button. There is some issue. There is no LTVBAK. Okay. LT table is our exporting parameter. Click on activate. Again, okay. At the rate LT table. Check once. No issue. Activate it. So this is how we mainly create a function module. Function module are just a section of code which provides a reusability. Now I can use this function module in any SAP program. So I'll simply go to SE38, which is basically a web editor initial screen, and I'll create a executable program. So ZAR, I'm giving a function module call. I'll click on create button. Function module. Select type as executable. Now we will give the type structure that will be begin of ty underscore k, and I'll provide the fields which I want to export from this table. So this is particular our structure, and I have used these fields. So I will write these fields in our type structure. BBLN underscore BA ERDAT type ERDAT ERDAT ERZDT type ERZDT ERNUM type ERNUM VB type VBTYPL end of ty underscore VBAK. So this is our type structure. Then I will create an internal table, LTVBAK type table of ty underscore VBAK. Then LSVBAK type ty underscore VBAK. Then I'll create a select option. For that, we need to create a variable. So VBLN type VBLN underscore VA, which is the data element, VBLN underscore VA. Then I'll provide the select option. S underscore VBLN for LV underscore VBLN. Then I will write the startup selection, and I will call the particular function model. We'll just go back there, copy the function model name, paste it here and press enter. We will provide the cells particular select option here and its symbol of internal table. Then we will import the internal table into LT underscore VBAK. Check for the syntax. There is no error. Click on activate button, and we will use write statement to loop at LT underscore VBAK into LS underscore VBAK, and then end loop. Now use write statement display the output. So VBAK, VBL, LS underscore VBAK, ERDAT, LS underscore VBAK, ERZDT, and LS underscore VBAK, ERNUM, then LS underscore VBAK, VBTYP. Check for syntax, no error, click on activate and click on execute button. Suppose I am giving input from 1 to 20. 1 to 20 and click on execute. We can see, okay, sorry, I have not given the slash button so that line can be changed. Now I will click on execute. Line will be changed after each row. We can see 20 rows for 20 records. So this is how you can create a function module and you can call it in any program which you want. Thank you very much.